All right, THRILLMAXX, we are here at Lost Island Theme Park in Iowa. We are going to take a ride on Mantugani, their Intamin accelerator launch coaster. This is awesome. And here in America, we never thought we'd be able to ride this ride in America. Oh, here we go, guys. We're all clear and we're about to be out of here.
Keep your head back.
They're advising us to keep our head. Here we go! Whoa! Oh! Airtime! Whoa! Whoa! It might just hang time! Oh yeah! THRILLMAXXers, this was a great launch coaster. This was awesome. It gave airtime, it had moments of hang time, positive G's, threw you around. This was awesome. If you get to Lost Island here in Iowa, make sure to get on this ride. It is a gem here. That's going to do it for our ride on Mantugani. Remember to always take your thrills to the max because this is THRILLMAXX.